Alright, mostly just recording to test some freaking switches that I put together finally today. Holy Boba is the stem from a Holy Panda. If I can get it to focus. I don't think it's going to happen. There it is. Sorta. Anyway, Halo True stem, full housing from Boba or Boba U4T. I used the U4Ts for the thock, and your choice of spring is the recipe. So I just used the spring inside of the Bobas because I like it. And there's a couple other little monstrosities in here that I randomly threw together just with spare parts from that. Let's turn the keyboard off so I don't start doing a bunch of random shit. These two are kiwi stems, which I believe is similar to a T1 with Panda housings. And then two different springs. I don't remember which one's which now, but I'm pretty sure this one is the kiwi spring and this one's the Boba spring. I believe they're both 68 grams bottom out force. However, this one feels lighter for some reason. And this is just a random abomination that, again, I put together with random spare parts from where I'd been screwing with this before. And it is a Boba U4T stem with, I believe, the standard kiwi spring and kiwi housing. The kiwi, the T1 or whatever, doesn't fit in the lid of the Boba housing for whatever reason. I guess it's just a little too tight. This thing is horrible. It's the worst. That's it. That's it bottoming out. It's got like, I don't even know. No travel distance, basically. It's miserable. I have a feeling that key is gonna make me regret a lot of decisions in life. But sound test, mostly just to make it easy to share with a friend. Alright, so here's that fucked up kiwi. That's actually not as bad as I thought it would be, but it does kind of shock your finger down at the bottom out. And then just for reference as well, these are regular kiwis. And then all the modifiers and arrow keys are Bobas. These ones are lubed. These are unlubed, but they're also at the edge, so they sound a little different. I don't really have anything more interior. That's a Duroc V2 stab, lubed with a lubed Boba U4T. The backspace is a lubed standard Boba, the silent version, and I love it. The space bars that I put in, not loving the keycaps, and I miss the sound that I had on the full-size space bar, and I might go back, to be honest. I think this is a banana split randomly thrown in there. Anyway, back to it. So this was the Panda housing with kiwi stem. Both of these were. This one is the U4T spring, I believe. That's actually kind of nice, to be honest. And I don't mind the deep pitch. That's with the lighter spring. That one's got a little more clack. Yeah, I like that one better. All right, and then this is the Holy Boba. Ooh. All right, let's see what people say. That's kind of nice. Seeing a lot of reference to the U4T possibly being inspired from this Franken switch, and how it kind of not invalidated, but made the switch just a little more expensive than it was worth. And I can definitely see that. The feel is nearly the same, except for it feels like it bottoms out a little bit further down because of the longer stem, I guess. Nice. Goodbye.